welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, it would mean so much if you guys hit that red subscribe button down below to join my YouTube family. I think it was like a week ago now, I uploaded my clean the room for 2019, kind of like my spring cleaning. I will have the card up above and also in the description box. This is going to be part 2, and today specifically, I will be trying everything on in this closet behind me. If you didn't know this about me, I'm kind of a shopaholic when it comes to clothing and even shoes, so stay tuned for when I have to go through my shoes because that's going to take me a lifetime. After this video, if you guys want me to do a part 3 of my declutter series, thumbs it up because I want to go through every single dresser I have. So I will show you guys. I have so, like, look at this. Like, what is this? And then we got, let's go down over here, like, hi. You see, it's a problem. I can't even open it. Okay, bye. If you guys want to see that, hit that thumbs up so I know. Welcome to my closet. Ta-da! Woo! Okay, this is my closet. As you can see, we got all the pants here. We got all the shirts here, which I organized in my clean the room videos. I think this is much needed, especially that spring is here. I just want to do such a big declutter of my room. We're gonna start first with the tops, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the pants. I also have some dresses in the back, and as well as some like kind of jackets and outerwear. I have a few shoes up here, but I'm going to save shoes for another video because I literally have a whole closet full of shoes downstairs. I'd rather do them all at once. I'm gonna try each of the clothes on and tell you if I'm going to keep it or donate it. Should I wear a tank top underneath this? Let me go do that 1 second. Okay, so I just put on like a cropped tank top just because some of these things need that. Like, for example, the first item I have here, just a blazer. It's a more recent purchase. It's marked by Marc Jacobs. I actually got it from Marshalls for a real good steal. I feel like I just bought this recently because I don't really have many blazers, so I'm definitely going to keep this one. This is the second shirt. It's just a turtleneck black knit sweater, and it has a longer back and it's a little bit shorter in the front. I'm definitely gonna keep this. This is one of my go-to sweaters. But as you can tell, most of these things are from like winter, fall. So I'm going to have to switch all of my stuff soon in the closet after and switch it to the dressers, but I have to go through the dressers first before I can do that. So like I said, thumbs it up if you guys want to see a part 3, because that's more of my spring summer clothes with like my shorts, my dresses, all that stuff. This shirt, I got this not long ago either. It's from Zara and it's a newer piece, so I'm definitely going to keep it. I thought it was really like different, kind of like retro, so this one's a keep. This is also a long sleeve top from Zara. I love the lace trimming on the bottom. I think it's like super dainty. It's like a dark gray charcoal color. I love the sleeves, how it cusps right at the wrist. So this one is definitely going to be a keep. As you're gonna tell, I have a lot of Zara clothes. It's a problem. We all got a problem, right? That's what I like to tell myself. I feel like a lot of the ones at the beginning are more that I used, and the ones in the back there I haven't really looked at in a while, so we'll see. Hopefully I get rid of some clothes because I'm low-key a hoarder, a clothing hoarder. This one I already know I want to keep it. It's kind of like a cool athletic one. It's also from Zara. I got it not too long ago, but I love this one. I wear it all the time. This is from the Windsor store. If you guys are curious, I did a haul with them a little bit ago now, but I wear this a lot. I think it's a really cute, like, kind of statement top. This one is also from the Windsor store. I obviously wouldn't wear this underneath, but I love this. It's cream. It's just a really good knit sweater, so I'm definitely gonna keep this one. This one's just a mock kind of t-shirt top that I got from Zara. It's thicker, which I really like, and I actually wear this one quite a lot, so I'm definitely gonna keep this. But it's super soft as well, and it just feels like really great quality, and it was super affordable. The struggle of not getting makeup on the neckline. I know you girls know that struggle, especially when you have something white and you get a whole neckline full of foundation. It is not a cute look, but I know it way too well. This is another top from Zara. It's kind of the same material as that gray one. I bought it near the same time. It has a pearl neckline, which I really like. I haven't been wearing it too much though, but I think I'm gonna keep it. I also have it in a tan, but I think I am going to put this one in the maybe pile because I love it, but it's been a long time now and I'm still not wearing it. So if I love it, I don't know why I'm not wearing it. Does that ever happen to you guys? I like look at it, I'm like, no, I can't get rid of it, but you never wear it. Let me know what you guys think about these tops. I have no idea what to do, but I love pearls. Ow, my hair. So this one's from Zara also. As you guys can tell, I clearly have a pearl obsession, but I think I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile as well because once again, I'm not reaching towards it and it's been like months now. This is just a black t-shirt. I really like the ruffles on the sleeves. I got this from Zara, but honestly, I have a shirt really similar to this that's actually in the wash and I wear that one way more. That's when you know you have a problem. So I'm going to put this into the donate pile. This is just a cropped shirt from Forever 21. I love the purple. I don't really have many colors, so I think I'm gonna keep this one, but it's just the ribbed material. I think it's like the perfect cropped, especially with these jeans I like wearing it with, so it's a vibe, it's a look. We're gonna keep it. Woo! I'm not gonna try this on, but it's just a bodysuit, and I think I'm gonna keep this because I like the way it looks. This is just a kind of like pale pink color, which is one of my favorite colors right now. And it's from Zara. I wear this a lot still, so I'm going to definitely keep this one. I like kind of like tucking it in to jeans. I just love the blue denim with the pink. I think it looks really cute. This is just a windbreaker that I actually thrifted, and I love this. I thought it was such a good steal. I'm definitely gonna keep it now that it's also springtime. This is my next top. It's from Forever 21. I actually bought this a long time ago, but it is my most worn turtleneck. I am all for the turtlenecks, okay? So I'm definitely gonna keep this because I always like tuck this into pants and I love it. And honestly, so far, this whole experiment is not going well because I'm not really getting rid of things, so. I am a hoarder, it's a problem. I love it, I keep it. This is the next one. It's kind of like a baby doll top. Low-key, my mom thinks it's like a children's shirt and it low-key might look like a baby's top. I feel like it's not everyone's style, but I really like it. So that's all that matters, right? Next, we're busting out the flannel here. I like it. I got rid of all my other flannels, but I'm going to keep this. This one I've been using for years. It's a mood, it's a vibe. It's just a fall vibe. I can't part ways with it yet. I was thinking of getting rid of this one, but I kind of like it, so I don't think I'm gonna get rid of it. But the next one I have is this one. They're both from Forever 21. I think I'm gonna compromise. We're gonna put this into the maybe donate section and I'm gonna keep this one just because I love how soft it feels. Yes. So let's just ignore this part, but it's supposed to be like an off the shoulder top. And then you tuck it in. I think I'm gonna keep this, but just remove this when I wear it, I know. So this top, I'm not even gonna put on. I was into it, but I haven't worn it. I don't know. I'm gonna put this into the donate. Turtlenecks, they are so hard to get your face through and you don't even put it on the right side. I blame the fact that there's no take on this. I think this is the perfect fall sweater. I think the cut is perfect because I'm short and I love it even with these jeans. I love this color combo. This top, I'm definitely think I'm going to part ways with. This part I don't really like. Do you see like how weird this is? I look like a box. I like the color, but I think it's time to go. So this is just like a black mock neck or turtleneck top. It's cropped. It has like a hole in the back. But honestly, I had turtlenecks like this and it's super tight. I just think I'm going to donate this one. I'm not feeling it. Saw its days, but I think someone else can enjoy it now. This is another shirt that I thrifted. I got it, I think, for a few dollars, and it's originally from the Gap. I think I'm gonna keep this. It's really comfortable. I've been wearing it a little bit throughout since I got it, so I think this is just a little staple. It was really cheap. This is another Zara top. I got it not long ago, so we're gonna keep it. This is what it looks like. I love the bell kind of like bottom sleeves. I love the color. I haven't been wearing it much, but like, I think I'm gonna wear it. I think I'm going to wear it now. So we're gonna keep this one. But I have to say, I bought this the same time and I haven't been wearing it. So we're gonna compromise. So I'll keep this one, I'll get rid of this one. Okay, okay. Hey, this is my newest turtleneck to the collection. I'm gonna keep this. I got it from Zara during their winter sale that just passed. I just think this is so warm and it is so cold in Canada during the winter time, so I know I'm gonna use it again next year. This is the next one. It's just a black plain top. I believe I got this from Charlotte Russe. I'm just going to donate it because I have so many like black tops anyways, and we don't need another one to our collection. So this is my next turtleneck, and I think it's time to part ways with this one. I don't know, it kind of feels like itchy. You know, I hate that itchy feeling. I think we can agree that I have way too many turtles, so I think I'm going to donate this one. This is just a button up. It is from Zara. I think I'm going to keep this, but I do have one more here and I never wear this one. So I think I'm going to get rid of this one. This tank top just ruins all the looks. Love it. This is just a really cute cardigan. It's from Forever 21. This one I'm definitely going to keep. This one's actually really soft. It's from the brand Alexander Wang. So it's a designer brand. It has kind of like the slits open in the back. I'm definitely gonna keep this one. I just think it's a good little cute piece to have, and a going out top, it's nice as well. I actually love this one. I wore it when I was in France, and yeah, I think it's so cute, and it looks so cute with the tank top underneath. Definitely gonna keep this. We are getting so close to being almost done the tops. I'm so excited because we've been here for quite a while. So this one is also really cute that I like, and I wore it in France, tucked in with pants. It has this little ruffle going down. Definitely gonna keep it. I love the sleeves. I got two off the shoulder tops. We have this one, it's a bodysuit, and this one's just an off the shoulder that's, well, I guess it's a crisscross one, but I think I'm going to donate. This one, I've had it for a while. I don't wear it anymore, so I'm going to donate. Oh, I don't know what to do with this because I like it, but I never wear it. I think I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile. This one is just a no, we're gonna donate. Can we take in that these are pretty much like the exact same tops from Zara? So I'm gonna get rid of this one. I'm gonna keep this black top. This is also another bodysuit, which, you know, that's just gonna take a while to try on, but I never wear this anymore, so I'm going to donate. And the last top, we'll just try this on for fun, but let's be honest, I'm gonna donate this. How do you even work this thing? I don't know what I was thinking with this top when I bought it, because I never wore it, and like, look how long. It's all the way past my feet. Like, what am I gonna do with these strings? They are just so long. Yeah, bye. That is all, as you can see, for the tops. Now I think I'm gonna do first the jackets actually, and then I'll move on to the pants. So this is a bomber from Zara. I never wear this. It's gotta go. This one I really like for the winter time because it has kind of like that fur inside. So I'm gonna keep this. I got it from Forever 21. What do? I have so many jackets, so I'll put this in the maybe pile, and maybe I'll keep the cardigan because I think this looks really cute right now. This one I used to wear a lot, but I haven't reached for it at all this year, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it now. This one I love. It's from Boohoo, and I just think it's so unique and cool, so I'm going to keep this one. This is another one that I really liked last year, but I haven't worn it at all this winter, so I think I'm going to donate. Look at me, we're just donating away. This one is from Zara. I just wore this like last weekend, so we're gonna keep this one. This is another one that I live in during winter time. We can't get rid of that one because my winters are gonna be freezing without this. And this is the last cardigan. I can't get rid of it either. It's like, look how soft these are. No, I can't get rid of it. I just can't. I need to keep this one too because I love it. I love it. My God, I forgot I had a top in the back. I love this one. Gotta keep it. I have dresses here. We're gonna go through the dresses quickly because it would take a long time to try them on and off, and I know which ones I wear and I don't wear. So I love this blue crochet one. We're going to keep it. Then we have this jumpsuit. I don't really wear it anymore, so we're gonna toss that. I love this sparkly dress. I wore it in Vegas. Great memories, great time, so we're gonna keep it. This one I always keep and I never wear anymore. It's from Urban Outfitters, so we're gonna toss it and donate. And then this one is my favorite. I just wore this to a wedding, so this dress I need to keep. It's so beautiful. All we have left is the pants. I'm probably gonna keep all the belts because I went through them not that long ago. I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit lower, and I'm just gonna show you guys kind of like my pants. We're gonna go through the pants real quickly. So I'm gonna move these two piles away. I just wore these yesterday, so we're definitely gonna keep it. I might put this to the maybe donate pile. These are just way too tight. I can't even breathe in them. So we're gonna get rid of them. We're gonna keep these. These are from Zara. These are just way too tight again. I can't breathe in them. I'm over these. Also going to get rid of both of these. Keep these. And keep these ones. These are the last two jeans in my closet, and I'm definitely going to keep these because these are jeans that I wear all the time. 4 hours later, we are finished trying everything on. As you could see, there's nothing left in my closet. There's no more clothes on the hangers, and I have my pile. So this is my keep pile, and I'm gonna have to put this all back in the closet, which is gonna take another hour. And then we have over here the pile that I will be donating. So I actually got rid of a ton of pants. So these are all the clothes that I'm going to get rid of. And I think it's gonna be good because there will be less clutter now here, and it'll make a little bit more room. I don't think I did that bad. I think I could have got rid of a little bit more, but I didn't do that bad. But honestly, I don't think any person in their life needs as many clothes as I have. It's a problem. Don't forget to check part 1 because this is part 2, as you guys know, and a part 3 is coming. So stay tuned. Click the subscribe button, turn the bell on to be notified when I do upload that. I upload every Thursday and Sunday if you didn't know already. And follow my socials. I have Instagram, it's @NicolettaXOYT. I'm adding a ton of new content coming soon. So stay tuned, and yeah, catch you guys in my next video. Bye.